Some energy levels of a molecule are shown in a figure with their wavelength of a transition. So here we have to select which is correctly representing the detail regarding the wavelength. So it's known that the energy of an emitted photon will be equal to the change in a energy value. So here we can write the energy of a first photon, which is having a wavelength of lambda 1, will have a value of energy E1. And it's known that the energy can be calculated using a formula Hc lambda. So for the first one, we can write Hc divided by lambda 1 will be equal to minus phi e divided by 2 minus of 4e. So here we can write it will be equal to minus phi e divided by 2 plus 4e. When we are simplifying this, we will get 3 over 2 times. Similarly, Hc over lambda 2 can be written as minus 2e plus 3e, which will be equal to e. Similarly, Hc divided by lambda 3 can be written as minus 2e plus 4e is equal to e. So here we have a value of energy of first photon or else first atom which was released during the transition, and this is for energy 2, this is for energy 3. So now we have a relation of energy and the lambda. So here by comparing energy 2 and energy 3, we can say 1 over lambda 3 will be equal to 2 over lambda 2. So here we can write lambda 2 is equal to lambda 3. Similarly, by comparing the first one energy and the third one energy, first one and the second one, we can write 3 lambda 1 is equal to lambda 2, which means we can write lambda 1 will be less than lambda 2. So based on this, we can write the correct answer for the question is option D.